In a world where tiny creatures ruled, there lived a humble bedbug named Benny. Benny was not like the others, for he was unique in his size and determination. He lived in an old, dusty mattress, far from the comforts of a warm, cozy home. One day, Benny's food supply ran out. He scoured his home, but there was nothing to eat. The other bedbugs mocked him, saying he would soon perish. But Benny was made of stronger stuff. He remembered a time when he had heard stories of a legendary food source, hidden deep within the folds of the mattress. It was said to be abundant and never-ending. Benny decided to find it. He searched high and low, crawling through the crevices and folds of the mattress. It was a long and arduous journey, filled with challenges and obstacles. But Benny's determination never wavered. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Benny found it. A treasure trove of food, hidden in a crevice he had overlooked 1,000 times. He feasted, filling his tiny body with sustenance. Word spread quickly among the bedbugs about Benny's discovery. They all rushed to the spot, devouring the food until it was gone. But Benny, having eaten his fill, watched from the side. The food was indeed abundant and never-ending. However, it was also finite. When it was all gone, the bedbugs were left hungry once more. Benny, who had saved some for later, continued to live comfortably. The other bedbugs realized their mistake. They had been so blinded by greed that they had wasted the very resource they sought. Benny, the humble and determined, had shown them the value of moderation and foresight. From that day on, the bedbugs learned to share and to save for the future. They lived in harmony, no longer plagued by hunger. And Benny, the once humble and small, was seen as a hero and a teacher. Moral: moderation and foresight lead to a life of abundance. Greed and haste lead to a life of want. ****